What's up, guys? Today we're going to unbox the Samsung Z Fold 7. Just got this as a phone upgrade. You guys will be the first to join me ripping this thing open. 1 and 2. Let's see. Whoops. What do we got in here? Anything? I don't know. Manual, maybe? Not sure what's in here. Maybe nothing. What do you think? Oh, cable. Always got tons of these. And I'm guessing there's a SIM extractor or something as well. Yeah, of course. Perfect. Now, the phone. Let's see here. This is the Fold 7. First thing you'll notice, this thing is remarkably thin. Look at that. Remarkably thin. And it folds to like a regular phone. Pretty freaking cool. Display on the front. And when you open it, I mean, yes, obviously you can see there's a bit of a crease in the middle, but I mean, it folds. What do you expect? How cool is that? SIM card. Place for the SIM card. I wonder if we can focus in on that. Well, anyway, pretty neat. So we got it set up. It's pretty neat. This right here, I don't know if you can see it. Fingerprint. That right there is a fingerprint scanner. How cool is that? Also set up for Face ID. And look, brand new phone. Nothing on it. Really slick. Really slick. Love it. And you can't have a phone with a new case, so I picked up this off Amazon. 15 bucks. A little flimsy on the side here. It fits well. It's got a place for the fingerprint. Mag safe. That actually helps when you have this to open up the phone, having the case on it. And let's see if it stands up to its durability. I'll put the link in the description. And one last comparison here. iPad mini versus the Fold. You can see pretty close. The Fold is a square and the iPad mini is more, well, obviously less square. It's roughly the same size. I guess if you were to put the top part on the sides, you'd get pretty much the same pixel density, not density, but same pixel count.